Welcome to Popup Chinese. I'm Echo.
I'm Brendan, and today we have a dialogue where if you're the kind of person like me, one half of it will be very useful for you. If you're the kind of person like Echo, the other half may be useful. Let's listen.
你迟到了。
不好意思，我又迟到了。
你再迟到，你就再也别出现了。你迟到了。
不好意思，我又迟到了。
你再迟到，你就再也别出现了。
Okay, so the first line, she says,
你迟到了。
你迟到了。
你迟到。You're late.
你迟到了。
你 is you. 迟到. 迟 is sort of slowly or late. 到 is arrive.
Yeah.
了 is
Late arrive. Yeah.
We'll worry about 了 later.
Yeah. 你迟到了。
You're late.
不好意思，我又迟到了。
不好意思，我又迟到了。
不好意思 is like, oh, how embarrassing, or really, oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
不好意思，我又迟到了。
我又迟到了. So I'm late again.
Yeah.
又 is again.
不好意思，我又迟到了。
Man, sorry, I was late again. 又迟到了。
你再迟到，你就再也别出现了。
你再迟到，你就再也别出现了。
This is a nice one. If you're late again, don't bother coming back, or don't don't show
That's really
up
a very
again.
good translation.
Yeah.
Yeah. 你再迟到，你就再也别出现了。
If you're late
again.
Yeah, if you show up late again, then don't bother showing up afterwards. 再也 is in the future.
Never again.
Don't ever, never again.
Yeah.
别出现. 别 is don't. 出现 is show up.
Yeah. 你再迟到，你就再也别出现了。
Another thing to pay attention to here is the difference between 在 and 又.
Yes. 又 is for past tense.
Right.
And 在 is for future.
So we've got 再见. Could you say 又见?
We could say 又见到你了。
Yeah, so that'd be like, it's you again.
Yeah.
Let's listen.
你迟到了。
不好意思，我又迟到了。
你再迟到，你就再也别出现了。
I'm not the most punctual person. I'm not a believer in the repressive, fascist, phallogocentric diurnal cycle that day jobs seem to require. And I'm sorry to say, I'm frequently late.
Yes, you are.
Yes, I am. Yeah, it's a matter of some concern.
Actually, I'm kind of like that too.
The first time I met my girlfriend, I was, like, 迟了半个小时. I was a half hour late.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
That's really no good.
Yeah, I mean, first impressions, right?
Yeah, and didn't your girlfriend say something like, 你再迟到就别来见我了?
Something very much like that, yes.
Must be.
Yeah. That's the problem. If everybody were late...
Or she would just say, 再见, or 再也不见.
But if everybody were late, if everybody was 迟到 all the time,
yeah.
then it would be fine. The problem is that if one person's going to be late, the other person has to be there, like 等着, just waiting. And I think that's why people get so snippy about...
You shouldn't be late.
Yeah.
不应该迟到.
我也不是第一次听过.
Yeah. Actually, I'm kind of 迟到 people too. Yeah, but I won't be late too much.
Yeah.
Not like 半个小时, maybe like 5分钟, 10分钟.
Yeah. So for that, by the way, the sentence pattern would be like 迟10分钟, right? And
or
迟了
10分钟.
迟了10分钟.
Yep.
And you leave the 到 out.
Yes.
So 迟到 is on its own as, just was late. And then if you want to say
Yeah.
how late somebody was,
Yeah.
迟了半个小时.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now that we've covered that, let us bring this episode to a timely conclusion.
And also we hope everyone 再也不迟到。
Catch you next time.
拜拜。
你迟到了。
啊，不好意思，我又迟到了。
你再迟到，你就再也别出现了。你迟到了。
啊，不好意思，我又迟到了。
你再迟到，你就再也别出现了。